Dr. Zakir, when is the correct and the best time to break the fast?
The best time to break the fast is as soon as night falls. As the Quran says in Surah Baqarah chapter 2 verse 187, eat and drink until the white thread of dawn becomes distinct to you from the black thread, and keep the fast until night falls. The moment you see the sunset, that is the best time that you should break the fast. And there is a hadith of Muhammad Sallallahu, mentioned in Sahih Bukhari, volume number 3, in the Book of Fasting, hadith number 1954, where the beloved Prophet said, when you see the night falls from this side and the day vanishes from this side and the disk of the sun sets, you have to break your fast. Another hadith mentioned by Abu Saeed, may Allah be pleased with him, of Sahih Bukhari, volume number 3, Book of Fasting, chapter number 45. He said, we broke the fast moment we saw that the sun had set. And our beloved Prophet, Muhammad Sallallahu, as I mentioned earlier, it's mentioned in Sahih Jami, volume number 1, hadith number 2835, that a beloved Prophet said that you should hasten in breaking your fast and you should delay your suhoor. It's mentioned in Sahih Hadith of Al-Bayhaqi, hadith number 8127, that the Sahabas, the companions of the Prophet, they were the first to break the fast and they were the last to have the suhoor. It's also mentioned in Al-Bayhaqi, hadith number 8125, that Prophet Muhammad said that we prophets have been commanded that we have to hasten in breaking our fast and delay our suhoor and keep the right hand over the left while offering salah. There are various other hadith which specifically mention that we have to hasten the breaking of the fast. It's mentioned in Sahih Bukhari, volume number 3, in the Book of Fasting, hadith number 1957, that our beloved Prophet said that my people will be on the right path till the time they hasten in breaking their fast. It's further mentioned in Sahih Ibn Hibban, volume number 8, hadith number 3510, where the beloved Prophet Muhammad said that my people will be on the sunnah till the time they do not wait for the stars to break the fast. Our beloved Prophet also said, it's mentioned in Sahih Ibn Hibban, hadith number 3509, that the beloved Prophet said that my religion will be seen till the time my people, they hasten in breaking the fast and not do like the Jews and Christians to delay the fast. So based on all this Sahih Hadith, we have to realize that we have to break the fast as early as possible. It is the best. Immediately after the sun sets.